everything has to work in a connected manner, right? So the visualization is this, that these four things, data, computational power, and interconnectivity, analytics and intelligence, advanced production methodologies, and human-machine interface, such as machine learning, are the four key areas which companies have to revolutionize themselves. In terms of being able to use these technologies, and a little more detail if you look at all the finer points, that companies have to adopt as the fourth industrial revolution because of the digital trends and the consumer trends that we are seeing in the very near future. So mobile devices, okay, Internet of Things platform, cloud computing, big data analytics, 3D printing, that's revolutionizing manufacturing. That's simplifying the speed, the complexity of manufacturing, and so 3D printing as a part of way of manufacturing is just taking off in incredible ways. So these are the technologies that are helping us to achieve. Now, are we there where we are all able to put it together? Definitely no. Some companies are doing better than others. So it's going to take a little longer, but these are the technology adoptions that we need to have. So these are, in the foreseeable future, the technology that's going to help us to be able to achieve that. So we have to see the role of technology in the right light, not technology for the sake of technology, but technology that is providing the differentiation, the customization. Ultimately, that's what is driving the market. That's the front-end flip. So everything is being now impacted by the front-end flip. And companies have to figure out what technologies are going to help them to achieve that phygital supply chain and that phygital space because of the digital flip at the front end, right? So the requirements, so this is a consortium, this is a global consortium that has come up with this idea that this is what we need for the fourth industrial revolution. Right, it is interoperability, everything connected together with sensors. So now the military uniforms are made of a fiber that can conduct electricity, and there's a chip somewhere in the collar. When a soldier gets injured, it knows immediately the information is transmitted. What kind of injury, the extent of the injury is known in advance. And when that person is rushed to the medical center, everything is in place because the status of the injury is known in advance. Or sensors, RFID sensors in trucks and in transportation. That's providing the interconnectivity because of the sensors and, of course, softwares and technology. So software has a very big role. And the information transparency in the sense that every device is looking at the same information. Right now, we have too many sources of diverse information. So we have to consolidate information in having the right information that's available to all devices and systems. So these are some of the requirements established by the consortium on the fourth revolution. So they're calling it Industry 4.0, that the fourth revolution has to be able to accomplish this. Okay, and the other things, technical assistance, decentralized, so the use of robotics. So now we see the possibility in the Western world that manufacturing can move back, and we are calling it reshoring in the US, that manufacturing can move back from China to the Western world. Because it's going to be advanced manufacturing. It's not. Why did we go to China? Purely because of low labor cost. That was the key driver. But today, if it's not today and tomorrow, if it's not that important, why can't we reclaim our manufacturing and do it at home using this technology? A lot of fundamental impact and paradigm shift.